Okay, so like Brother Zane said, you guys are changing the colors to kind of group some of these ideas. Now, the next thing you want to do, obviously, there's a lot, right? This is a big issue across the country. So we can't boil the ocean. So what you want to do is choose one of those areas of interest that you feel is most important, and you got to have to justify it. And that's where that question that came up earlier about the analysis and the problem work tabs, the work tabs in the workbook, we can talk about that. But once you finish grouping them, you can determine which one you want to choose. And you're going to find some overlapping. For example, access to guns could overlap a little bit with legal loopholes or poor enforcement. So you could keep them different colors, but maybe overlap them, keep them close to each other, so you know that there's some dependency there. Okay, good. You guys are doing great. I think you're on the right track here. I'll jump over to the other group and then we'll close in a few minutes the rooms, and maybe we go back to our discussion as a bigger group.
Okay, so I created a Jamboard for you know, my like personal like idea for these, you know, based on these ideas. So can you take a look at that to see if that's like good? Or
Sure. Do you have the link to where it's located? I can.
yeah, I'll try to put it.
Obi, did you get access to the Jamboard yet? I sent you the link.
I just like don't know where it is.
I sent you the link in a reply to your message.
Like like on the Jamboard itself, or is it like on the EmpoweReer account?
The ideas we were talking about is on the Jamboard, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I see your Jamboard. Nora, you want to walk me through this?
So there was like ideas being shared like in the first sort of in the beginning of the breakout rooms, and based on those ideas, I put their ideas in the Jamboard and sort of like rephrased it.
Okay, so your interest is in video creation, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so think about a video that is 20 seconds long that conveys these points you have on the Jamboard. Like gun violence is bringing negative effect to our community. How easy it is to get a gun. The need to control gun access. So these are good ideas for creating a video. So then the thing you want to do now is start thinking about video scripting. If you are not familiar with that, you can go online here, for example. So I'll show you guys a couple of things if all of you can pay attention for a minute. Let's take Nora's ideas here and turn it into a video. We're going to use artificial intelligence to help us with that. So for example, my envisioning could be a 20-second video that starts talking about some statistics in Baltimore City that reflect negative, effect of gun controls. And then that could be maybe 3-4 seconds, followed by a 4-second clip from someone in a public speaking, context, some council member talking about gun control, or a state senator or delegate, or even in the, federal level in Congress, a video clip of that with some text on it saying, every so many minutes or seconds, someone in America dies from, guns. Followed by, for example, something that has to do with physical and mental health problems being a cause for gun violence, right? So that's my thought of the video. But we can also use tools to tell us how to build a video like that. So we're going to go to Chat GPT. Let's actually open it. You can create an account for yourself. It's free. So I'm going to log in here. And I'm going to tell the tool what I'm trying to do. Are we recording this? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to go here, new chat, and I will say, I need a 20-second video on the following to educate the general public and introduce a call for action to contact their public official. All right. And I'll say, here are the main points I need in the video. And we'll go and copy some of these things. So gun violence is bringing negative effect into our community. We'll paste that. And we'll say number one, so the tool understands that this is number one. Number two would be the ease of obtaining a gun, right? So the ease of obtaining a gun. All right. Number three could be mental health as a root cause in gun violence. All right, so those are three examples. So here, I need a 20-second video, this, and we're gonna say here, instead of I need, we'll say, can you provide me with a 20-second video script? All right, so let's see what happens with the tool.
Yeah, and also remember the ChatGPT has limitations. You won't get something, you won't get data on stuff after 2021. So you have to be, you have to make sure that you also conduct your own research and stuff.
Yeah, that's if you're looking exactly for statistics. But this is just going to give you a script. So here it says, in our community, gun violence is taking a toll. It's time we come together to address this urgent issue. Now, for Zane's point, you can just add right here, in Baltimore alone, in 2023, we lost X lives. So you would have to go do your own research on that, right? And this information is publicly available. There's multiple city websites. If you go to baltimorecity.gov, I can show you in a minute to get statistics. And then here it tells you a scene, some images of community members talking, sharing concerns, supporting each other, maybe an ambulance running across the screen, you know, something like that. And then here's a narrator. And the narrator could be you. It could be you, Nora, or someone from the team. Gun violence affects us all, tearing families apart, leaving lasting scars. You know, you can have screenshots from the Baltimore Sun about, you know, crime or whatever, and you get the idea. Okay, so now you got the script. Now there are other tools that can actually take this script and do a voiceover for you in someone else's voice if you want, or you could just do it yourself, right? But that's one way to take those ideas you guys did on the Jamboard and turn them into a script. And then what's next is, like Brother Zane was saying, do some research, get some imagery that is in public domain, meaning you don't have copyrights on it. You can use it with no issues. Sometimes you can write to a publisher like NBC News or ABC. You can go to their website and say, hey, I would like to use this. And you would, you know, cite them or reference them. You say courtesy of, you know, NBC4 or whatever. You can do that. So that's basically where you can fit in, right? And as they work on the project, whatever they decide to do in the Jamboard, the other one, which priority they're choosing. Right, so here's got some ideas. You guys will choose one of it, and that would be the actual project, right? Because you can't do everything. All right, guys, good. So let's go back to the other group, unless anyone has questions
I have a
before.
question.
Mhm.
We can work on this project any time of the day, right?
Yes, so what we're doing now is just kind of training, but the idea is you guys work together offline. Yes, absolutely. So you got some time from 2 to 3 in the afternoon. You want to meet with a couple of people. You can get on your Google Meets, you know, your own ILIA accounts, your EmpoweReer accounts, set up your meetings and meet. Yep. And if you need help, you can reach out to us on Slack. Okay. The idea is
All right.
not to do all the work here.